guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so happy to have every single one of you here. Today I am here for two things. Number one, we are going to announce the winner of our 800 subscriber giveaway. That did end last night at midnight, and in just a couple minutes here I will be jumping over to my laptop and we will find out who that winner was. And then after that we will congratulate our winner, most definitely, and then we're going to come back here and I'm going to share my 850 subscriber giveaway with you guys, because yes, that is right, we have gone above and beyond 850 subscribers and we have stayed there. So let's go ahead and jump over to my laptop and see who the winner of our 800 subscriber giveaway is. Okay, who is ready to get this done? We are at the YouTube comment picker. Let's go back to our video. This is the 800 subscriber giveaway video. We're going to copy and paste the URL. We will paste it right here. We're going to filter duplicate users. And then we're going to pick based on a specific word or text, which was chaos. And let's see how many comments we had. 42. You guys rock. Thank you so very much. Okay, here we go. Let's see who our winner is. Oh my gosh, double the trouble with H&M. That's Heather and Michelle. And they said, I live in a world of chaos. Such a great giveaway, hun. Congratulations on hitting 800 subbies. Well, congratulations to you two. I am so darn excited. Let's go ahead and make sure they are subscribed. And we're scrolling. And we're scrolling. Scrolling. Where is Jen? Man, my computer. Guys, I told you, my Wi-Fi here is the worst. Gotta wait for all of them to load. I apologize. Let's see. And we're waiting. Thank you, Wi-Fi. Back on track. Let's see. Looks like we're almost down to the bottom. Oh, there I am. Look. Ta-da! All right, Embracing Chaos with Jen. You guys are it. Congratulations again. Yay! Congratulations. I am so excited for the winner. You have 48 hours to contact me. My email is down below, as well as my Instagram, or if you follow me on Facebook, you can message me over there too. Just make sure that it is within 48 hours. And guys, remember, when you congratulate the winner, please do not say their name down in the comments. What happens when you do that is people come in, just scroll through the comments and look for the name, and they don't watch the video. And what happens then is that I don't get a lot of views and a lot of view time for my videos, and it kind of holds us back as far as building that YouTube family we're all working towards. Okay. So again, congratulations to the winners. I look forward to hearing from you within the next 48 hours. Who is ready to see what I have in my 850 subscriber giveaway? It is not going to be as big as the 800 subscriber giveaway, but it's still a decent sized giveaway. You guys will not be disappointed. Couple rules really quick before we get started. The biggest rule is that you must be publicly subscribed to my YouTube channel, which means if I draw your name, I need to be able to go to your own YouTube channel and scroll through the channels you're subscribed to and find mine. You must be 18 or older. You must live within the continental United States. YouTube is not involved with this giveaway in any way, shape, or form, as well as the companies who made the products that I am giving away. I have purchased all of these products with my own money, or they were given to me. I will post a secret word along the bottom of the screen here at some point during the video. You will need to leave that in sentence form down in the comments. Please don't just put the word in there and keep on cruising, because once again, people will come through and see that word and then they'll do the same thing, and it just cuts down on the number of views I get and my view time. I will make sure to leave the end date for this giveaway down in the description, as well as all of the other rules in case I missed anything, which I'm sure I did. So make sure you pay close attention to that. I'm going to announce when the giveaway ends and when the winner will be announced. So, who's ready to see what I have for my 850 subscriber giveaway? As promised, I will include a $25 Visa gift card. And then I just tossed a few more things in, just so I'm not mailing you just a gift card, because goodness knows I have an abundance of things to share with you guys. So, let's go ahead and check them out. First thing we have is this two-step nose pore strip. It has like the nasal pore strip. I think, yeah, it's got a nose pore strip here, and then it has a witch hazel calming strip that you use afterwards. These are a lot of fun, and they work really well. I've got a hand mask for you guys. We've got some avocado eye mask. We've got some hydrating foot socks. These are fantastic, guys. I love these. I use them at least once a week myself, and they've been in every giveaway I've done. And then I've got this really cool pumpkin face mask. It is a sheet mask. I just used one today. It'll be in my Mask Monday tomorrow, so if you guys want to check that out, come on over. And this is all of my self-care portion. And then for the WW portion, or the weight loss portion of my channel, I thought I would share a few of my favorite spices from Trader Joe's. So the first one we have is everything but the leftovers. This just came out, I mean, within the past few days. I saw somebody haul it, and as soon as I saw it, Steve and I jumped in the car and we drove 30 minutes to Trader Joe's and picked up the rest of them. There was only 2, so I say that like we had a cart full, but I got one for me and one for you guys. I have not got to try this yet, but I saw so many people use it last year, and I could never find it, so I'm on it this year, and you're going to get one too. Next is this Green Goddess seasoning. This is fantastic. Trader Joe's is kind of known for their Green Goddess products. I know they have dips, they have salad dressings, and now the seasoning, so I thought I would include that for you. And lastly, my all-time favorite seasoning from Trader Joe's. I know you guys are going to be surprised because you only see this in every day in a life video that I make. The infamous 21 seasoning salute. I put this on everything. I put it on my avocado toast. I put it on hard-boiled eggs. I put it on salads, meats, you name it. It's probably had the seasoning in it. Ooh, and soup. Oh, yum, yum. It makes any soup yummy. So yeah, there's that. Okay, all right. So that is my 800 subscriber giveaway. Again, it will include a $25 Visa gift card. I think I have everything. Don't forget to leave the comment with the secret word down below. This giveaway will run for 2 weeks, just in case I haven't said that. If I have, I apologize, because Chaos Jen is scatterbrained today. And I think that is everything. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thanks again to all of you for all of your support. I could not do any of this without you. Any of it. Not just my channel. I'm talking the weight loss. I'm talking the health care, the self-care. Guys, I don't even know how to put into words the way that you guys have changed my life for the better. Me and my entire family. I mean, you guys mean so much to all of us, definitely. So before I get emotional, because that's the last thing any of us need, I'm going to let you go. If you haven't already, if you give this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to share it so that we can continue to grow our YouTube family. Guys, 900 subscriber giveaway. We are about, I want to say, just under 40 subscribers away, so keep them coming. If you know anybody who would enjoy my content, please feel free to share. If you're not a member yourself, make sure you hit that subscribe button, not only so you can become a member of my YouTube family, but also so you can get in on these giveaways. And that being said, until next time, my friends, I hope you all have a fantastic, fantastic day, and I will see you next time.